Bestbookbits.com brings you 5-minute books. Today we're going through The Riches Within by Demartini. If you don't plant flowers in the garden of the mind, then you'll forever be pulling weeds. There's a difference between fantasy and big vision, of course. Big visions are those dreams that are doable and aligned with your values. Fantasies are not achievable and don't align with your values, so you won't act on them and you won't keep working toward them. Nelson Mandela said in his rendition of statements in A Course of Miracles that we're frightened of our own power. We're not frightened of our smallness, we're frightened of our magnificence. Sometimes people's perceptions about their bodies can stop them from creating an amazing life for themselves. Doing what you love and loving what you do makes you feel younger and more vital. There are always gifts in great failures, just there is always drawbacks in great successes. You can't really fail unless you're working against yourself. Now, this summary is made possible by the Best Book Bits community that don't just consume educational content passively, but take their active role in their life, business, and goals to the next level. They realize their real enemy is their inner me. Get yourself out of your way and let me coach you on achieving your next breakthrough in your life, business, health, and goals. Click the link below to book a free chat now and come say hi. On with the summary. The Oracle of Delphi counselled, know thyself, be thyself, and love thyself. Take no credit, take no blame. Just keep focused on the game. Focus on the mission and chief aim. A good mind possesses a kingdom. There are only two things they can never take away from you, your love and your wisdom. Every day I was to say to myself, I am a genius and I apply my wisdom. The moment you realize that you have every trait you admire and start recognizing the form it's in, it begins to surface. Out comes the buried treasure. Whatever is highest on your value list, where your mind is sharp and alert, disciplined and focused. Whatever is lower on your value list is where you hesitate and procrastinate. We all have areas of attention surplus order and areas of attention deficit disorder. Your vitality is directly proportional to the vividness of your vision. Start today, visualize what you love in your life. If you can, cut out pictures and images of everything you'd love to create in your life. Create a storybook and a picture board of how you'd love to live. I am a genius and I apply my wisdom. Mind follows breath. When you've mastered your breath, you will also have mastered your mind. Realize that your body works for you, not against you. No two people have the exact same values. Your values can be expressed in all, or just a few, of the 7 areas of life: spiritual, mental, vocational, financial, familial, social, and physical. Take a look at how you allocate your waking hours. What claims most of your day? Your highest value will be the most ordered area of your life with little or no chaos. There's greater chaos in the area of your lower values. Pay attention to what you pay attention to. Gratitude is the key that opens the gateway to your heart and allows the internal love inside to come out into the world. Your inspiration, that which aligns with your highest values and aspirations, will lead you to your greatest source of wealth. Identify a huge need and fill it. Until you value what you've already got and place importance on the accumulation of financial wealth, money will be a fleeting presence in your life. Whatever you don't appreciate will depreciate. Money automatically flows to those who appreciate it most. It's all determined by your hierarchy of values. Align goals and values. Buddhist vows. In the future, happy occasions will come as surely as the morning. Difficult times will come as surely as the night. Attention and intention are based on your unique values. Whatever you resist, persist. What you write down, what you look at, think about, visualize, and affirm, you end up manifesting. What you seek tends to seek you. Our innermost dominant thoughts do become our outermost tangible reality. Those who lead others lead themselves first. If they can do what they've done, so can you. People at the top are the most actualized and free, and those at the bottom have the pressure of multiple levels of rulers. The few who have the courage to listen to and act upon their mission lead the many. Heroes take journeys, confront dragons, and discover the treasure of their true selves. And last, your hierarchy of values determines how your attributes are expressed. Now that's wrapping this book summary. If you want the long version summary, click the link to download this. We've done over 1,000 book summaries at Best Book Bits. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, check us out on Spotify and the website bestbookbits.com. Now remember, your real enemy is your enemy, so get yourself out of your way. Let me coach you on achieving your next breakthrough in your life, business, health, and goals. So click the link below to book in a free chat with me. Come say hi. Thanks for watching and listening. Have yourself an amazing day. Go out there and achieve the life you always want. Bye-bye now.